E hara a Eastern Eagles i te karapu Riki Noiho. He kaikaurua he pauwhirinaki he taitua rā mō ahana kai tākaro me o rātau whānau. Ko Zion Tawamiti te tumuaki o te karapu, te kai kōkiri i a rātau mahi miharo o te wā, i roto i enei āhuataka taumaha nā te COVID-19.
For the lockdown happened, we put together a sort of response task force. The role of the task force was to connect to outside agencies, community and government, and to say, hey look, we're putting out a survey or questionnaire. This is our response as the Eagles, is that we are pushing surveys for our whānau to answer, and then once they give us their information or once they tell us what their needs are, we want to be able to be in a position to meet those needs. You know, the questions that we put out in our survey were specific to the Eagles families. It covered essential needs, so food, power, petrol, warmth.
Turn left onto Lyndhurst Crescent, then turn left onto Hampshire Street.
E whakapono ana a Tawamiti me tū te karapu me kaha ki te toro āwhinātu ki tō rātau nā hapuri.
The platform that we wanted to set was that we are an organisation that care about whānau, and if we are that, which we are, because we're the Eastern Eagles in the heart of Aranui, and you know, we working with families from the eastern suburbs of Christchurch, then I think we have a responsibility to at least respond or have somewhere for our whānau to go at, you know, in a time like this. You know, this is a new set of weeks now. It's not the same as the last four. The next 3 weeks is pretty much the same as level 4, and it's going to get tougher. So if you are actually out there and are like, man, I am struggling, someone wicked, for firewood, for blankets, for food, then just hit us up, hit up your coaches or your chaplains and just message through. If you're not on the database, please register, that'd be awesome.
A piti atu e whakau ana a Tawamiti he tūā papa hoki te karapu mō ka whānau.
I think that a sports club is a platform, you know, and I think it's a platform for us to be able to work with whānau. You know, it's not just about development of athletes or individual players, but it's also about the development of the families.
Ko tēnei kēmu ko te Whutipōro Riki, he nui noa ake i tērā āhuataka o te tākaro. Ko te Whutipōro Riki, he kaupapa whakahaumaru i te whānau he oraka mo te whānau. E ki te ana tērā āhuataka i roto i te karapu nei o Eastern Eagles. Rātau e manaaki ana, e tautāwhi ana i o rātau kai tākaro, ka whānau whānui hoki. Nō reira Eastern Eagles, e roha o Parirau. Henare te aika puanaki, Tahu News.